Hey all, I know it's Monday, but I know all of us can keep hanging in there. I'm Callan here.
I'm Angie, starting off the week with some fun informational news.
And I'm Stella, here with a Tiger Sport. Now it's time for the news and announcements
You need to know. Winter formal is coming up, and it may look different than previous years. Now here's ASB with an update.
Dude, Dawson, what are you doing? Just accept the fact that you're not going skiing this year.
Darn it, I just wanted to have some fun and also get some yoked quads.
Don't worry, let me show you something. Your fun future is just around the corner.
Oh.
Check this out.
What?
The winter formal theme.
Oh! So, when is this dance anyways?
As of right now, February 12th.
I heard that the tickets are only $15, and with an ASB card, a low price of $10.
You heard right. All students need to get tested either Friday or Saturday before the dance.
Does it matter if I'm vaccinated?
No, all students need to get tested, and all these tests will be provided on campus.
Sweet!
Look out for Rivals Week happening before winter formal. Get ready to show some Tiger spirit and bleed some black and gold.
And the dance is going to be outside, so make sure to dress warm. It's going to be a cold one.
Sounds fun. Thanks, ASB. Enrollment specialists from Cuesta College will be assisting all seniors with the Cuesta College Promise Scholarship application in their trimester 2 English classes this week. And for those who are without English, no worries. You will receive a green slip to come to library during 3rd, 4th, or 5th period on Friday, so you too can apply to Cuesta College. Please be on the lookout for your slip to report to the library during your designated period.
Are you looking for something to do at lunch? Intramural Cornhole is taking place soon. Please scan the QR code outside the ASB room to sign up. There are teams of 2 and only 1 partner needs to sign up. Sign-ups end this Friday, so get to it.
Seniors, if you need help filling out the FAFSA, register online for Cash for College workshop on February 10th from 4 to 7 p.m. All seniors should file their FAFSA by March 1st, no matter what your post-high school plans are. Remember, all Cuesta College students are required to fill out the FAFSA to receive the 2 years free.
The Ski and Snowboard Club is starting this Wednesday in room 169. All are welcome.
Hey, Tigers.
Whether you're a park rat or like to hang out on the bunny hill, you should join the Ski and Snowboard Club.
It'll be hosted in Miss Stevens' room 169 at lunch on Wednesdays. It'll be a quick meeting. Be there.
Mexa Club will be having their annual tamale sale. The pickup date is Saturday, February 5th, but the last day to order is Wednesday, February 2nd. Half dozens will be $15 and full dozens will be $25 with the options of red pork, green chicken, or cheese. Use the QR code to pre-order or see the link in our description.
Come join our club in the Gender Sexuality Alliance for crafts on Wednesday. It'll be after school from 3:10 to 4:30 in the new quad by the 100s building. They'll have paper, glue, fake flowers, string, and some other supplies to make crafts with.
And now for the teacher feature you have all been waiting for, produced by Anthony and Sierra.
Hey Tigers, here's that interview you've been waiting 2 weeks to see with Foz, and thanks for tuning in for our first edition of TNN Staff Spotlight. So, what made you decide to become a teacher?
In our family, you're either an engineer or a teacher, and every year as a kid, my great aunt, who's a teaching nun sister in LA, invited me to her classroom to sit in on her 5th grade class, and ever since then I just found out that teaching is for me.
Her family's long history of teaching. It was only right for her to become a teacher herself.
Hammer comes first on an anvil, and then there's this stirrup. The stirrup looks like, you're at an OB appointment getting your obstetric.
I asked her, when did she know she wanted to teach ASL?
You know, it's funny. I learned sign language as a kid here in San Luis Coastal from my deaf friends. It was actually my intention to become a 5th grade teacher like my great aunts. But then when I student taught in middle school and then in high school, I realized that the high school population was more my style, and I just love the workability of being with the older students. So I got my credential in English, and then I added my credential in sign language since I already knew the subject, and it's just fallen into place perfectly.
Wow. I asked her what was her favorite thing about teaching at SLO High, and this is what she told me.
I is just having been a Tiger myself and having that longevity of being on a campus. I graduated in 2001, my sibling before me in 1997, and it's just so nice to carry on the tradition of being a Tiger.
Thanks for tuning in, Tigers. Make sure to fill out this Google form to vote for your next staff member to be highlighted on TNN Staff Spotlight.
Thanks, Anthony and Sierra. That was really cool.
Juniors, last reminder to apply for the Girls and Boys State Summer Leadership Conference. The week-long conference with 500 other high school juniors is life-changing, and all expenses are paid for by the local American Legion Post number 66. Just ask Winston Jenkins, our representative last year. He was chosen to be one of only 2 boys from California to be flown to Washington, D.C. for Boys Nation. Boys and Girls State is a decades-old model government program attended by the best of the best. The application is short and due tomorrow, February 1st, to the College and Career Center.
Attention all students. Do you want your photos featured in this year's yearbook? Send in any photos you take around campus, around town, hanging out with your friends, literally anything. This is the last chance to memorialize your high school experience forever. Submit your photos with the link in the description or visit the yearbook Instagram account at SLOHSYB.
And now the stellar umbrella fella, Stella.
Hi Tigers, tomorrow boys basketball will be in Santa Maria competing against Santa Maria. That's all. Now back to Cal and Angie with lunch and history.
Thanks, Stella. Amazing job with that sport. For lunch today, we'll be having some bangin' chicken tenders, a fancy gourmet grilled cheese, a goblin turkey BLT sub, and of course, the amazing local cheese box. Make sure to thank our lunch staff for providing some amazing food.
On this day in 1950, President Harry Truman publicly announced the development of the hydrogen bomb. This allowed for the U.S. to detonate their first ever hydrogen bomb 2 years later.
That's all for today on your Late Start TNN Tigers. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you tomorrow.